All right, here we go. Question number 23 from our 0314 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say determine the domain of the function. So remember that the domain are the values that x can be. And in a radical function, especially a radical function with an index of 2, we're going to have a restriction on what x can be. So the stuff under a square root has to be greater than or equal to 0, since you cannot square root negative numbers. So the way that we're going to find the domain is we're first going to find the restriction. We know that whatever's under the square root has to be greater than or equal to 0. And then if I solve for x, I'll know what x has to be. So moving the 2 over, 5x is greater than or equal to 2. Divide both sides by 5. This says that x has to be greater than or equal to 2/5. So if I'm going to write that in set notation, I need to add the braces. And remember the brace, that says the set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to 2/5. That is set notation, which is the way the answers are written. And I think if I stopped there, I would be cheating you out of some learning. So I'm going to go a step further and also write the answer in interval notation, just in case you need to know how to use interval notation, okay? So think about this on a number line. If x is greater than or equal to 2/5, that means at 2/5 we would have a bracket because the inequality has the equal to. And if it's greater than, then it's going to shade to the right, okay? So then with interval notation, we would say the domain is everything from 2/5 to infinity, because interval notation is represented from left to right, and the bracket says up to and including 2/5. So there's your set notation and your interval notation in case you need it. And now let's see if I'm right. Oh, yeah, boy. All right. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.